Hello everyone, my name is Alex.
And my name is Jamie. Today, you join us at the Matthew Stevens Fresh Fish and Seafood Specialist. Located in Cornwall, we'll be showing you how your fish will go from the sea to the factories and to your plate.
We will show you the process of how the fish is stored, then it's cut, packaged and then distributed to the various shops and restaurants around Cornwall. This is Newlyn Harbour, a beautiful, picturesque fishing port. Newlyn Harbour was first recorded as an industrial port in 1435, so it's been a working harbour for nearly 600 years. This is the start of our journey, where the fish are caught and deposited from the ships, and into the transport vans. The harbour handles a variety of fleets: deep sea trawlers, beam trawlers, long liners, crabbers and smaller inshore boats, catching species ranging from mackerel to turbot to monkfish to hake. As you can see here, the fish are crated after being caught and winched onto the harbour wall. This ship that we have documented fishes around Spain and the west coast of the UK and near France. The boat has a built-in crane system, which is very useful and I think very cool. The fish are then taken from the ship, and the portion going to Matthew Stevens is loaded into the van and taken to the factory. Eventually, the fish is kept in ice and unloaded into the factory, kept at a constantly refrigerated temperature. In this room, they wait to be filleted and are prepped for their upcoming journey. Firstly, we need to get changed into the standard work attire.
These in here, we find our hair nets. These are applied in many food warehouses and are an industry standard to stop the spread of bacteria and germs from hair follicles, and just to keep up food cleanliness generally. Also, in here we have shoe covers, which are also quite industry standard in most places, just to keep your shoes clean and just sort of keep away any outside mess really.
Right, hello. We are in the filleting room. This is where the fish is filleted and portioned to make sure that it is the right size and the right quantity for the restaurant. It is then weighed out and all the waste is put into bins and discarded of thoroughly. We asked the owner if we could interview him for a short interview.
How many customers does your business have, roughly?
Well, when I went to the factory up at Pembeagle's a very small industrial estate here in St Ives. We had a small unit, and when we went from the fish shop to the unit, we probably had about 12 customers, and we've got well over 400 now. Some of them trade all year round, some are seasonal, obviously, you know. Some take a lot of fish off us, some take smaller amounts. Even if it's a bag of prawns, we will deliver it and give them the same service. And I think the service element is very important. Yes, you can get the quality, yes, you can get the value, but you must give the service to go with it.
The fish is then stored in branded packaging, clearly displaying what type of fish it is so that the order is correct and that the customer is clearly satisfied with their purchase. The vac pack machine seals the packaging airtight to ensure the fish is kept sterile. So Matthew, how long has this business ran for?
My dad started the business back in the 30s, and He traded right up to the war, and in 1939 he closed it down, volunteered for war, and when he came back he was stationed over at Port Scatho, and my dear mother, who ended up being my mother, she worked on the farm and she delivered milk to where my dad was working. They got together, they married. Hey presto, I was born. And 1960 I actually joined him in the fish shop, and it was only just a small fish business then. We covered quite a large area, all over Cornwall and Devon, up to Bristol and Bath, and into London at times as well, 2 or 3 times a week. So you know, from a very small fish shop in the back streets of St Ives, we sell a bit of fish. Yes, we do.
And finally, we are heading out to deliver some packages and finish the final parts of the journey.